How to use WhatsApp parental control feature. So first of all, you'll need to set up parent managed account on your child's WhatsApp. So simply download WhatsApp on your child's phone, and during the sign up flow, tap more options and select create a parent managed account. Then all you need to do is enter details, register your child's phone number and enter their date of birth to verify the eligibility. And in order to link accounts, what you're going to do is on the setup screen, QR code will display on your child's device. Now what you're going to do is open your WhatsApp, and then from here tap on your profile icon. Then you'll see a QR icon on the top right. Tap on that and then tap on scan, and then from your phone what you're going to do is simply scan the QR code from your child's phone. After doing that, the final step will be creating a 6-digit PIN. So all you need to do is create it and make sure to secure it, since it will be required to change privacy settings, manage contacts or approve messages. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to like our video.